Hi, this is Nic Barrow at the Snooker Gym. I would like to let my friends in Pakistan know that over the years we've had thousands of inquiries from your part of the world, and we are looking under the master franchise run by Arshad Qureshi and his team to introduce the concept of coaching to various cities across the country in a gradual process. And we're looking for dedicated, enthusiastic, hungry school teachers, community leaders, club managers, strong players, referees, and those involved in the administration of the game to pick up the baton and learn the art of coaching so that you can help other players and continue growing the game yourself in Pakistan, being part of the relentless surge forward of our great game across the frontiers of culture, regions and different types, ages and standard of player.